2.5 million doses of the Moderna COVID-19 vaccine donated by the United States arrived at Islamabad International Airport on Friday, 2nd of July. These vaccines are being delivered to the Pakistani people in partnership with the COVAX Global Vaccine Initiative, UNICEF and the Government of Pakistan. On this occasion, US Embassy Chargé stated,
Assalamu alaikum. This is a great day. On behalf of the United States, I'm so pleased to announce the donation of 2.5 million doses of the Moderna vaccine to Pakistan. The delivery of these vaccines was made possible through our ongoing partnerships with COVAX, UNICEF, and the Government of Pakistan, and I thank them for their collaboration. This donation is a demonstration of President Biden's promise and our commitment to stand with the people of Pakistan in the fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. We are sharing our supply of safe and effective vaccines with the Pakistani people because these vaccines will save lives and will help Pakistan emerge from this crisis. None of us can fight this global pandemic alone. We must unite our efforts, our expertise, and our resources. And together, we must deliver on our common goal, supporting access to vaccines for the populations that need them the most. We can do this together, and the United States remains your steadfast partner in ending this terrible scourge.
This donation is part of the 80 million doses the United States is sharing with the world, delivering on their pledge to facilitate equitable global access to safe and effective vaccines, which are essential to ending the COVID-19 pandemic. As President Biden has said, the United States is committed to bringing the same urgency to international vaccination efforts that they had demonstrated at home.
We announced that we would donate 80 million doses of our own vaccine in-house now to supply the world by the end of June. Many of these doses are shipping to countries around the world as we speak. Our vaccine donations don't include pressure for favors or potential concessions. We're doing this to save lives, to end this pandemic. That's it.